Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove read-only or view-only document on Google Sheets mobile. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my document, and as you can see, this is a view-only document. I got this document from my friend, and since this document is in view-only mode, I cannot edit this document. And I'm going to show you how we can remove the view-only mode. First thing first, you are going to make a copy of this document in your Google Drive. You can click on these three dots, and then you are going to select the share and export. Okay, and click on make a copy, and then you can change the document title if you want, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and then click on OK. Alright, and just wait for a moment until the Google Sheets file has been copied to your Google Drive. And this is the copy of the document, and I'm going to enter text. Okay, as you can see, I can edit this document right now because I have removed the view-only mode or the read-only mode. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove read-only or view-only on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.